Hey guys, I should have got my dad like a boat cover. It works, but oh my gosh, we've got to clean it. We got to clean it. In Florida, there was a lot of boats. I like, the operating system like in the middle of the boat. The side one I don't really like. But, I mean, I've been wanting to go fishing real bad. I guess I'll have to help Dad clean the boat. Mm, it's a trolling motor. If you want to troll, it's not bad. I remember like having to drive the boat. It's not that hard. It's just hard putting it on the trailer. But you get used to it though. I just remember the first time. That was weird. Alright guys, that's it.